The US administration has clarified that its proposed new H-1B visa rules and fees will apply only to new applicants and only from next year, and not to those currently in the US on the H-1B visa program who may need new H-1B visas and will in order to switch jobs or to renew their existing visa. The H-1B visa is issued typically for a 3-year term to begin with, but then with extensions possible depending upon job offers in hand. And through the course of this term or these terms, a number of these visa holders also switch employment, and on every such occasion they will need a new H-1B visa, but that is distinct from a fresh new first time visa. This difference explains also some of the quite different numbers that we've been looking at. At present, the annual cap on all new H-1B visas in the US is 65,000 plus another 20,000 open to those who have degrees from US universities. So applicants put their offers into a lottery. If the total number of offers from US firms to them exceeds 85,000, which always is the case. But last year, 207,000 Indians were given H-1B visas, and that number is greater than that 85,000 ceiling, because a very large number of them, the majority really, were H-1B visas tied to renewals of existing visas or arising from new jobs within the US. But there has been more confusion, without doubt. The $100,000 fee that was first announced as an annual fee is now in question, because the White House has said that it will be a one-off. So the question is, will it be a one-off or annual? A lot of announcements coming from the White House are simply not thought through, but we do need to believe certainly that in the last statement from the White House that indeed is the position that this will be a one-off fee. The argument being offered is that these visas are taking away American jobs, and as it happens, 3 out of 4 of those who get these visas are Indians, and this appears true at one level and to a limited extent, without doubt. Last year, as many as 10,000 visas went to Amazon, a company that's a notorious record for underpaying and overworking its employees. That appears to be a work situation that thousands and thousands of Indians certainly are more than willing to accept, and in fact are very keen to accept year after year. A number of Indian firms also in the US bring in Indian professionals at a lower than usual wage here in the US through their business of carrying out subcontracted work for major US companies. That exists no doubt at one level, but without doubt it is Indian professionals who are at the cutting edge of innovation among the biggest companies in the US. Elon Musk had famously tweeted earlier in his usual colorful language that if America is innovative and competitive, it is because of Indian brains coming in through the H-1B visa. As matters stand, it is likely that the new visa fee will certainly mean a few more American jobs at a lower kind of level, but it will mean cutting off the stream that has fed the brightest and the best within America.
Been fighting so long and so hard that they don't know what the they're doing.